Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Teacher Debbie in our Debbie June 101 tutorial. So this time we are going to solve some puzzle randomly in grade 3. Okay, grade 3 students, are you ready now? Okay, so this time grade 3 students, Teacher Debbie will teach you how to solve lesson number 8. So we will solve random puzzle. Maybe 3 puzzle in lesson number 8. Are you ready now? Is your computer set already? Then sign in your account, in your names, in your class. Okay, let's start. Let's begin. So, last time we do tutorial in lesson number 7. Now let's move on to lesson number 8. So, start. This is lesson number 8. All about drawing shapes with loops. Remember, every time we solve our coding, we need to read the instruction first. Let's start. Instruction says, "What a lovely day. Help the artist cover his flowers before the winter by moving forward by 60 pixels." So this artist will cover the flowers. Understand? Okay. So, if you look at, we need only one block. Okay, sorry. So, we need to move forward by 60 pixels. This set with 60 is the size of our lines. Okay, let's try. Okay. You get it? Nice. Very good. Good job. Next, we will jump to puzzle number 7. Okay? Puzzle number 7. Practice number 7. I will leave you the rest of the puzzle. So I start over for this one. So here, our instruction says that loops sure make writing code easier. Use loops to draw this staircase. How to draw it? Each stair step is 50 pixels long and 50 pixels tall. You will need to turn 90 degrees in each direction. So this is 90 degrees. Okay, are you ready now? Let's start. So here, we set already 20. This one is the width of our lines. Okay, so do our looping. We need to count 1, 2, and 3. So that is 3 times. Next is to move forward. Okay, how many pixels? 50. And then turn right, 90 degrees. Then move forward again, 50 pixels. And then turn left. Okay, 90 degrees. This one is turn left. This one is turn right. Okay, 7 by 7. Okay, let's start. Okay, you got it? So that is how to solve puzzle number 7 in lesson number 8. Okay, let's jump to practice number 11. Okay, let's try to jump to number 11. Okay, I think this is very easy. Writing a square. Solve this puzzle by drawing a square with 20 pixel side. Okay, are you ready now? So this line is 20 pixel. 200 pixels, sorry. It's 200 pixel. So, how many sides is our square? 4, correct. So, repeat 4 times and then move forward. How many pixels? 200 as given in our instruction. Then, what we are going to do is to turn right 90 degrees. Okay? Are you ready now? Let's try. This is correct. Okay? So that is how to solve puzzle number 11 in lesson number 8. So we have one more blocks. We can use one more blocks. Maybe we will set color. Okay? If you want this one, this color, you can try. And then reset and then run. Okay? So that is how to solve our puzzle number 11 in lesson number 8. Did you get it? Okay, nice. So I hope that you learn and you enjoy in our coding this time. So for those new students, new watcher in our video, you can click subscribe for the next video. And for those who are already subscriber, you can share it with your friends. Don't forget it. You click like and then the bell button so that you can be notified for our next tutorial videos. This is Teacher Debbie. See you next time. Have a nice day, everyone, and God bless.